Hi, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific, and in this training video, I'm going to show you how to build your customer account. Let's get started.
The customer account needs to be established before users can begin. This hierarchy allows users to customize their customer accounts to create a simple single location or a more complex customer with multiple locations. A customer, facility, building, and system needs to be created to store data. To create a new customer, locate the customer navigation bar at the top of the home page. Click on the customer box and click on Add Customer. Enter the required customer information. The account number is optional, but users will be able to search by customer name or account number. Enter customer address and phone number. Phone number format, time zones, and daylight saving times can be added or modified under international settings. Once completed, click Save on the bottom. To create a new facility, click on the Facility box at the top and click on Add Facility. Enter the required facility information. The facility address is the address that will appear in the report header. If the customer and facility addresses are different, then the facility address will take priority over the customer address. The facility address is also the address that appears in the aliquot map. Once completed, click Save on the bottom. To create a new building, click on the building box at the top and then click on Add Building. Enter the building name and click Save. To create a new system, click on the System box at the top and then click on Add System. Enter the system name and click Save. The system information page is where a report frequency is set up. Please refer to the report frequency training video to learn more about this feature. Once a system has been established in the database, users can start saving visit, lab, and flex reports. The customer information can be modified by selecting on any name and then edit. Simply follow these steps to edit any of the account information. A customer can be deleted as long as there are no reports or customer users associated with the account. Simply follow these steps to delete any of the account information. If the customer cannot be deleted, the customer can be marked inactive. Edit the customer and then uncheck the active box and click Save. The inactive customer will not appear on the customer list, and any associated customer users will be deactivated as well. Click on Show Inactive to see inactive customers in the customer list. Inactive customers will appear in parentheses.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching!